Hey there, Licknriffers! How are you doing? It is my pleasure to once again introduce to you a guitar that I wish existed when I first started playing. It's just amazing to me every time how far we've come in terms of guitar technology. This is the carbon fiber Enya X4 Pro. And it's not only beautifully built, it has a magnificent feel, it has a fantastically warm sound, it has one of the most well-rounded warm guitar sounds that I've ever come across in carbon fiber guitars. And just look at it, it's beautiful. I'm gonna show you a close-up of the guitar body right now, just so you can see how beautiful the design is. And it has effects. It has built-in effects. I'm gonna show you everything. But first, just listen to how beautifully this guitar plays. Okay? With guitars, you have to appreciate the depth of the bass strings, and this guitar is just perfectly balanced. It's perfectly balanced. Okay, even just it's just wonderfully resonant. It's full. Okay, it's just the sustain lasts for days. Take a moment and listen. How the notes ring out and how you can tell, you can hear every string separately. That's the hallmark of a great guitar, of a really, really great guitar with a really great sound that you can get. You can get separate sounds, different sounds for each string, and you can hear the bass notes and the bass lines separately from the high notes. They ring out. Everything has its place in the mix, so to speak. This guitar is just perfectly balanced. Now the effects, you have this you have this rig here. You have a tuner, obviously. Of course, every guitar needs a tuner nowadays built in. But the really cool thing, the effects. A chorus and a little bit of reverb. And you can have less chorus, more reverb. You can have a delay. See? Now you can control the speed of the delay. You can control the depth of the chorus. See? A little bit more. It's just people paid really, really good money in days of yore for their electric guitars to sound like this, and now we have it built in our acoustic guitars. This is just a crazy, crazy day and age. So I'm truly impressed by this guitar. No chord that I'm whipping out. Nothing sounds off. And this guitar just these dirty chords, this guitar pulls them off perfectly. See? The Enya X4 Pro carbon fiber guitar with effects included. The gig bag, by the way, is beautifully textured and it's beautifully built. It's just beautiful. I love it. Okay, back to the guitar. Yeah, so this guitar is super affordable and it's worth it. It's totally worth it. It's beautiful, it's comfy, it sounds great, it looks great. So while I keep noodling around with the Enya X4 Pro, I'll just leave you with this. If you've always wanted a carbon fiber guitar, but you were afraid to try one, then look no further. The Enya X4 Pro guitar is just... Okay, just listen to the quality. Okay, you can't mistake quality, and this is a quality guitar. This is highly recommended. I love this guitar. See you in the next lesson.